there's a little problem. There's a little problem in the lower region.
Here, you guys, watch the camera here. Don't stand in front of the camera, Liz.
Your knees bothering you?
You got a wish?
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Make a wish, Ash.
If you can make any wish.
All right. Okay, everybody here, everybody's attention. You better get moving there, boy. Cameraman. Sorry. All right, listen.
Hey, Cricket. Can you move over just a little?
This is the Sabrehood. Hold on. And we're family.
Hold it. Shut up. Old man.
Oh, don't stop. Keep going.
We all know what you gave to Jeremy and Stacy. And how you sold your bike, you sold your trailer, you donated all that money. You quit your job, you depleted your savings, you depleted a bike account. And you don't have a bike. And frankly, a lot of us are sick and tired of every other post telling us how you don't have a bike. And what I did, the Sabrehood got together, let's just put it that way. And from Wednesday night, we got a couple dollars together to help you out with the bike fund, because we know you need to save some money for the bike.
You guys.
Listen. Hold on. Now there's some
Stipulations.
There's some rules.
Rules.
The rules are that the couple dollars that we have here has to be used toward a bike. I guarantee you, if anybody in the Sabrehood finds out you use this for anything other than a bike, there will be pain involved. They've donated so much.
And I volunteered for that.
Yep.
All right, it'll go to a bike. All right.
I volunteered.
Because she has access to a taser.
I do.
I'm not even scared of the taser.
Now, you mentioned to me one time that you needed about $700, I think, to add to what you had to get the bike you were looking at. I got good news and bad news. The bad news is that we didn't get $700.
You guys are crazy.
Okay. The good news is, Sabrehood got together.
Oh, right.
1,800.
Holy shit.
That was just a lucky guess on my part.
Bike.
That's awesome.
Jesus, I'm not gonna fucking cry.
Yeah, you are. Yes, you are.
You are going to cry like the girl that you
You're getting a bike,
Holy shit.
There you go.
In a matter of 48 hours, we had this.
This was started Wednesday night. You have no idea how fast these people got
People
together.
that weren't
Wednesday night, honey.
And this is all over the country. If you notice, the check is from the Sabrehood Everywhere USA. You see the watermark, the Sabrehood Trust? This is for people all over the country. And I'm going to tell you, I know that there is additional funds coming in that are not here yet. This is just what we can account for right now.
Ash. Also, I called the guy who has that concourse, got his address, and if you want, we can go meet him today.
Oh, I thought one of the rules was a saber.
The 90 with 35,000 miles. Your Sabre.
$1,800, $1,802.51.
I told you something good was coming. I told you.
Woo! Hip hip hooray!
Thanks, guys.
I get it for goes around for everything that you did. Comes around.
That's right.
Thank you, guys.
That's right. We love you, man.
Now I gotta find something else to bitch about on the side.
That won't be hard for you.
I'm going to get the money to you. Oh my God. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Oh yeah.
All right, so he just got it. You want to talk to him?